Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to see mutual friends on Snapchat. First of all, open up the Snapchat application. Tap on chats from the bottom bar. Then, head to the request icon from the top right corner. And you can see all of the mutual friends here. Those are the people who are friends with your friends, or the people whose number is saved into your phone. As you can see, some accounts show that they are from your contacts, and the other ones are your friends or your friends. Also, you can see the total suggestions of those mutual friends accounts. So go ahead and add the ones you want your mutual friends indicate your shared connections, providing a sense of familiarity and trust, knowing that you have friends in common with someone and can make interactions more comfortable. If you enjoyed this video, and share your comments or questions below.